What is going on, guys? This is Drivenbybcu from Out of Bounds Club. Today we are doing something very exciting because it's another thing we're adding to the overlanding rig, off-road rig, whatever you want to call it. As you can see there, we took off the rooftop boxes because we have something specially delivered from, you know it, Sterlingadventureco, which is based out in Utah. I'll be installing this. Pretty much going to show you the easiest way to install it, along with maybe a couple of reviews in the future, going out camping and things like that. But we picked this up at FedEx Freight Center. I'm gonna have my dad help me today because this is a two-person job. If you think you're strong, you ain't strong, because you gotta lift it high enough for it. But so that's what it looks like now. I gotta take a few things off the Prinsu roof rack, and then we can start getting it going. All right, so this is opened up. So far, my first impression is that this is really good quality. This is the back facing the rear. That's where the latches are. And these are the updated latches too, so with extra places for attachment. Just to let you guys know that when you buy a Sterling Adventure tent, you have to open it. That's where all the hardware is. And it comes with a ladder, the stability pole, and then extra mounting hardware here, along with instructions, but we might not need it. There are two crossbars underneath the Sterling Adventure tent. You take two crossbars from the Prinsu rack. You measure where you want the crossbar to be, specifically the slot that has 6 inches in the Prinsu. And then once you measure it, you mark it, put the hardware on, and then put the tent on. So, all right, so we measured 6 inches and 66 inches of where we wanted to mount it on the rack. So then I'm just gonna leave it here. What we're gonna do is go, well, we can't go 6 inches because, all right, so we got the first crossbar installed. Pretty much measure from the front to where you want it to be installed on the Prinsu. The first bracket goes underneath with these 2 long bolts, and then you bolt to the other bracket on the other side, and then you slide it through. Good. We go here, like that, like this, and then push, right? Okay, let's get it on there. Here. Yes, it is. Yeah. Go. Keep going. Hold on. Push. You gotta look up. There it is. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, that'd be a piece of cake. Oh, you know what? Shit.
What?
We put it on backwards.
No, we did not.
Yeah.
Dude. What the hell?
All right, so this is not screwed in yet, but pretty much once you get the crossbars on, I don't know if you can see that, but the holes for the hardware line up pretty much perfectly, so that once you lay it on the roof, you pretty much all you gotta do is screw in the hardware, and then you'll be done.
Thing up, get inside there, see how it is.
All right, so we're gonna open it up.
Woo! Get up inside there. Don't forget your mom.
No, I gotta show her when it's closed.
Oh. No, I wanted you up inside it. Enough room?
Hell yeah!
Huh? Get
Oh.
inside.
No, I have my shoes in.
Oh. So what?
Wow, this is comfortable. All right, so as you can see, I am inside the rooftop tent, and all I can say so far, I'm not gonna do a full review yet, but the mattress is a lot better than some of the tents that I've been in, and it comes with these storages, well, like pouches, so that you can put your, you know, iPad or, you know, sleep things. And inside of this, it's also insulated. There's insulation, and it comes with extra insulation for you. Also, USB LED. Sorry if I'm out of breath, but it's insane. It comes with a ladder. I love it. All right, guys, so this is the next day after the rooftop tent install. So pretty much I saved this for the next day because we're running out of sunlight or daylight. So we are installing the rooftop crossbars, which is right there. I did the first one because I was trying to figure it out, but it's pretty simple. This is just in case you want to mount your snowboards, basically mount whatever you want, rotopacks, etc. So essentially it comes with 4 bolts, right? And then these 2 square nuts, you slide it in here first, or sorry, I don't think you see the camera, but you slide the 2 square bolts in here, then you attach it, but I'll show you how it looks like. Basically, you have this crossbar, and it comes with these tools right here. So you get these 2 brackets that go on the side of the rooftop tent. And basically, you want to mount, so these sides go on the side of the rooftop tent. These 2 holes will go into the mount like this. So essentially this goes into that, and it goes on both sides. And then you get the 2 longer, probably 1/2-inch screws here, and then the nuts, these 2 nuts there. So after both sides are mounted, it comes with these other 4 basically square nuts. It looks like this. Square nuts. And it goes into the channel. While this slides into the channel, you get these smaller Allen head screws, and you attach it here like that, and then slide the square bolt into the channel, and it bolts into the side, but I'll show you. You get it on the other side, and you get the square nuts, slide it through that. So what I like to do is pretty much mount them in first before you, so I have it mounted in right here, but you can still pretty much slide it so that once you have the other side bolted down, you can measure from end to the rack so that they're both equal, and then you tighten down these Allen wrench so it should be good to go. Alright guys, so that is the complete install of the Sterling Adventure rooftop tent. Their link will be in the description, because if you want quality rooftop tent, go give them a follow. But look at that detail. You got their stamp on the side. It comes with a roof rack on top of that. These latches are also very high quality and heavy duty, and these struts as well. So again, just an overall view on how to install this tent quickly is, if you have a Prinsu rack, which I do, take out 2 cross members, right? 2 of those bars, take it out first, measure exactly where you want the tent to sit from the rack and the tent, flip the tent upside down, measure it, put the 2 crossbars, and then have 2 people. This tent, although it's pretty light compared to a lot of different tents, it's still heavy for somebody to carry. So it's about 130 or 145 pounds. Flip it back over, have a person lift it from the left side and the right side, and then put it on the Prinsu, and then just push it forward. It should sit flush with the Prinsu rack, and then pretty much from there you bolt back on your cross members, and that is pretty much it. It's a simple install. It's just really heavy, and it took us around an hour to do. Honestly, looking it back, because we didn't really read the instructions, we just, you know, us guys, we just looked at the hardware that came with it and we just did it. But inside this tent, once you open it, that's where all the hardware is. It comes with, obviously, you know, different type of bags, mounts, insulation. There's so many things that this tent comes with, but I'm not gonna do a quick review. This is just an install video because I'm super excited for it. You guys will see a full review once I'm actually at the campsite, because I think that's where the tent will do its justice in the video. But again, thanks so much for the support. Hope you guys are enjoying this GX build. You will be seeing a lot more builds of the OBC members, but thanks again for the support. Peace out.